On a cold April night in 1912, the Unsinkable ship met its tragic fate. The largest, most luxurious ship of its time carried over 200 souls toward destiny. But on April 14th, everything changed. At 11:40 p.m., lookouts spotted the Iceberg. Despite desperate attempts to avoid collision, the ship struck the ice. Water flooded the lower compartments. As panic spread through the ship, crew members rushed to prepare the lifeboats, but there weren't enough seats for everyone. As the night wore on, distress flares lit the sky, while lifeboats drifted in the freezing Atlantic. At 2:20 a.m. the ship broke apart and plunged into the depths, taking over 500 lives with it. The unsinkable ship was gone. When rescue finally arrived, only 710 survivors remained to tell the tale. The disaster changed maritime safety forever. New laws required enough lifeboats for every passenger, and 24-hour radio watches. Memorials around the world honor those lost. Today the Titanic rests on the ocean floor, a reminder of human ambition, tragedy, and the fragile line between triumph and disaster. The Titanic's story will never be forgotten.